Hey guys, it's Sarah from Hair to Dream, and here's an attached double Chinese ladder braid. First, you'll take a section from the top. She already has a hairstyle in her hair from earlier, so I'll just start my section where that hairstyle ends. Once you have your section, you're going to split that section into two strands. So you'll have a left strand and a right strand. You can hold the left strand in the palm of your left hand, and we're going to work with the right strand first. So working with the right strand, you'll take a small section from the inside of the strand, and then you'll take a section from the right side of the head and you'll combine it to the right strand. Now you'll take the middle strand and you'll wrap that strand under and over the right strand and then through the hole, and then you will tighten it. Then we'll work with the left side and we'll do the same thing there. So take a section from the inside of the left strand and combine it to the middle. And then grab some hair from the left side of the head and combine that hair to the left strand. Now take the middle strand and wrap it around, under and over the left strand and through the hole, making a knot and tighten. And then you'll switch to the right side and you'll do the same thing. And this is the technique you'll use all the way down to the end of the braid. Now, I know holding all three strands while doing the knots on each side can be super challenging, so keep watching and I'll show you a way that is easier. So after you tighten the knot on the left side, you'll take the left strand and you'll hand it to your hair model to hold while you work on the right side. And then you just do the same thing. You'll take a section from the inside of the right strand, add some hair from the right side of the head and combine it to the right strand, and then you'll take that middle strand and wrap it around the right strand and through the hole and then tighten the knots. Then when you're done with that, you take that left strand back from your hair model and you hand them the right strand to hold while you work on the left side. And then you just continue all the way down until you're done. And then a few things that I did with this hairstyle that helped was I sprayed it with water in between stitches, and that not only helped with the flyaways, but it also helped me get a good grip on the strands. And then the other thing I did that helped was I brushed the strands in between stitches so that it wouldn't get tangled. Now when you get to the bottom of the head and you don't have any more hair to add, you just continue with the same technique and you just omit the part where you add hair from the sides of the head. And then you just go all the way down to where you want to, and then tie it with a hair tie, and you're done. Thank you for watching, and please tag Hair to Dream if you try it.